for all of the safety stuff on the mission. We've done
All the safety stuff we found so far.
top to bottom. So we're gonna go through the ship one more time. So let's start since we're down here in the cabin. I'm gonna show us that this is our galley. And we have all of our provisions. Safety is about eating, right? Not starving. And all of the plates, donations. This thing comes fully stocked with snacks. Everything in here is storage. There's under the sink. Handrails. Under the stairs, there's storage. So this is one of the aft. This is one of the aft cabins. Sleeps two. There's your closet. This is the aft portside cabin, identical, and then this is your head and shower. Window. Alright. Back here, this is going to be our bathroom. This is our bathroom, head and showers in one room. And then, like, every nook and cranny. Space. And then you've got to lock all the cabinets back up so that when we are, there's windows in here, a hatch actually, for ventilation, and then we can shut that door back. And then this door is where we're staying. Turn on the lights. Got reading lights, all of our stuff here, and then there's, this is the crew cabin. Cheyenne likes to sleep under the stars. Turn that back off. Cockpit. All of our sheets and lines. The dining table. The helms. This boat has a Bimini, which is really nice. Kind of overcast right now. So journal entry number 2 today. The first day, we haven't left dock yet. We're having a lunch break for about another half hour. And I learned all about an engine. I had no idea about what it was or what it did other than it makes stuff go. And now I know a lot more. But learning a lot so far. A lot of fun. It's a beautiful day today, nice breeze, and much less humid than it has been. And the cabin in here is very cool. So we're excited. We're ready to go. Not sure where we're going, but just trying to take it easy and not have everything scheduled out, right? Hard for me.
So we're just finishing up our first day. You can see the sun's lower. We're working on our homework. Doing our book work.
learning about the
questions. Boat engines and the systems, as well as docking, all kinds of fun stuff, anchoring. It's been an exciting day, channel navigation. So, alright, back to our homework. Bye.
Bye.
No one's gonna dip her leg in the water. Clean it off. Just jump in, you'll be fine.
Feels so good.
See, I told you.
It doesn't stink.
I know.
This is brackish.
Oh, fine. Got our veggies for dinner.
It smells amazing. I can't tell you, that is the best smell I have ever smelled.
Got like a nice garlic steak, medium rare, coming out to go with these
Yes.
veggies.
Wow.
Hey guys. Hello.
Day one was a really challenging day. It started with Matt and I learning how to tie knots. And I've never done anything like that before, so I think that was one of the hardest things from day one for me. And then navigating the channel and trying to figure out how to keep the sailboat in between the channel markers. Not easy, but a whole lot of fun. So my favorite thing of day one was getting to relax at the end of the day, chill on the boat, and enjoy an incredible sunset and views. So here are some of our favorite photos from that day.